In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with Lovable AI. If you're experiencing difficulties with live previews not working as they should, don't worry. We'll go through several steps to help resolve the problem. First, let's start by clearing the cache and cookies in your Chrome browser. This is a common fix for many browser-related issues. To do this, open Chrome and click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings page, find Privacy and Security on the left side and click on it. Then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select both cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and click on Clear Data. This process will remove any stored website information that might be causing problems. Next, you should check for any Chrome extensions that could be interfering with how Lovable AI loads. Some extensions may block scripts or content without you knowing it. To do this, return to the three-dot menu, click on More Tools, and then Extensions. Here you can see all installed extensions. It might be helpful to disable them all and then reload Lovable AI to see if it makes a difference. You can toggle them back on one by one to pinpoint the exact cause if an extension is indeed the culprit. Before proceeding further, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. You may have already done this, but it's important to remember that a weak or unstable connection can cause issues with loading content online. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong or your Ethernet cable is securely connected. Now go ahead and reload Lovable AI and attempt the live preview again. Often, after making changes, a simple refresh is all that's needed to make everything run smoothly. If this doesn't work, let's explore whether there might be broader technical issues at play. Visit the Lovable AI status page. This page indicates whether there are any ongoing server issues that might be affecting the performance. If there is indeed a server issue, patience is key, as it might be a matter of waiting for the technical team to resolve it. If everything seems fine with the server and you're still facing problems, try restarting your browser. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Chrome can work wonders. Alternatively, you can try incognito mode. Incognito mode doesn't use your existing cookies and extensions, so if the issue is related to those, this might be a quick fix. Finally, if none of these solutions solve your problem, it's time to reach out to Lovable AI support for additional help. They have access to in-depth technical resources and can provide personalized assistance to resolve any persistent issues. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're able to enjoy using Lovable AI without any more hiccups. Thanks for watching.